Well, here's this morning's little project. Got a new house going in here, and apparently they decided to take this tree out. I guess after they dug the crawl space or poured this footing. And there's the property line, but I'm probably gonna get over here on the neighbors and clean up a little bit. But yeah, I gotta get this thing around to the front so they can come back over here and pick it up, I guess. Which I guess works. Like I said, it's been raining and it's muddy and can't do much else, but I'll probably make a bigger mess trying to track in here and get it. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of come in here and I guess just kind of pile it up or stack it up in the front yard where they can come back maybe this weekend and try to pick it up. I don't know. I'm not sure what their plan is on the stumps. We'll see if we can't get this out of here for today before the storms and the rain stuff get here. But them all, now I got everything brought up to the front and stacked up here. So I don't know. It probably doesn't really matter. I'm sure a lot of this they just load in the truck or something, but I kind of got the limbs and the bigger pieces and then the chunks, but it doesn't look great because it's so muddy over here. But at least now they can get back here, and I don't know what their plan is with this stump or not, but at least you got some of that kind of cleaned up. I don't really know. This is gonna be an interesting backyard over here, so yeah, I'll be anxious to see if they end up taking that other wad of trees out too. So, but for today, we've got the task at hand complete. So I'm gonna clean the tracks off, load the excavator up, and see what else I want to get into today.